Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily English Pulse. Today's lesson is all about one important goal: speaking English confidently. Confidence doesn't come overnight, but with daily practice and the right phrases, you'll sound more natural and sure of yourself. Let's follow Jason, a new English learner, as he builds his confidence step by step. Jason has been learning English for 6 months. He knows grammar and vocabulary, but speaking still makes him nervous. Today, he's determined to practice. He starts with small steps, speaking out loud to himself at home. He looks in the mirror and says, "Good morning. How are you today?" Then he adds, "I'm doing well. I'm ready to speak English." Next, Jason goes to a local coffee shop. The barista smiles and asks, "What can I get for you today?" Jason takes a deep breath and says, "Hi, I'd like a medium coffee, please. Would you like cream or sugar?" "Just cream, thanks." He smiles proudly he did it. A full interaction in English. Later, Jason meets his language partner online. They greet each other. "Hey, how's it going?" "Pretty good. I practiced ordering coffee today," Jason says. "That's awesome. What else are you working on?" "I want to sound more natural and confident," Jason replies. His partner shares a tip. Use simple phrases. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on communicating. Jason practices some common confident phrases. "That's a good question. Let me think about it. I believe so. I'm not sure, but I'll find out." He repeats them again and again, building fluency. "I believe so. I'm not sure, but I'll find out." The next day, Jason joins a conversation group. At first, he listens. Then, when someone asks, "What do you do for fun?" he answers, "I enjoy reading and watching English movies. They help me learn." Others nod and smile. Jason feels proud. He's speaking clearly and people understand him. By the end of the week, Jason reflects, "I still make mistakes, but I'm not afraid to speak anymore." Confidence grows when I use English every day. Key vocabulary. Fluency. Speaking smoothly without stopping. Interaction. A conversation or exchange. Language partner. Someone you practice a language with. Communicate. To share ideas or information. Confidence. Believing in yourself. Practice phrases. "That's a good question. Let me think about it. I believe so. I'm not sure, but I'll find out. I enjoy because it helps me learn." Homework. Record yourself saying 5 sentences using today's practice phrases. For example, "I believe so. Let me think about it." Then, write a short dialogue using them and share it in the comments. That's it for today's Daily English Pulse. I hope you enjoyed Sarah's grocery adventure and learned some handy English phrases. Subscribe for more daily lessons, share this video, and let us know what you want to learn next. See you tomorrow for another Pulse of English. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching.